Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash.
And I'm Dr. Russell Manson.
And this is not my voice at all.
And this is not my voice at all.
Oh, we'll see how this plays out.
AI is a wonderful thing.
Welcome to The Hair Loss Show, where Dr. Russell Knudsen and Dr. Vikram Jayaprakash discuss issues relating to hair loss and the medical and surgical treatment of hair loss in both men and women.
Hi everyone and welcome back to the Hair Loss Show. Russell, good to see you again.
Thank you, Vikram.
In today's episode, we're going to talk, not talk about sort of medical treatment options, but more to do with sort of marketing. And certainly we've seen over the last 12 months an explosion in artificial intelligence, and this is happening across the board in a variety of different industries, but it's also impacting what we do in terms of medicine and in terms of the hair loss field as well. And so I thought it's probably worthwhile to at least have a discussion about, okay, well, how is this impacting not necessarily us, but how it's impacting, people, our audience? Because one of the things that we're fundamentally trying to do, you and I, with this sort of platform, is to give people, to the best of our knowledge, the right information
And basic principles that
Yes.
let them judge the claims that they get
Correct.
thrown at them every day.
And the worry, and I can get philosophical here about this, is that, with the explosion in AI, how is that message crafted? How can that message be crafted and be used to sort of sell various products that may not be able to stand on the sort of strong principle and foundation of good medical science?
That's right. So this is going to be an exploding problem coming forward, because the hair loss industry for products is a multi-billion-dollar industry in any country that you care to name. It's probably $1 trillion industry overall. It's a massive industry. And so the influence of artificial intelligence on marketing is what people are talking about now by the ability to create deep fakes. And this is what we've got to be careful now, because people can now make these videos with celebrities allegedly endorsing specific products, and then using sort of credible, scientific experts behind them to make it sound like it's real. And it's so easy to do these days.
And you've been,
and it happened to me just recently, where I was sent an Instagram ad from a colleague of mine saying, "I didn't know you were involved with this product." And there is a famous American actor, talking about getting his hair loss and having got advice from me to use this particular product. And first of all, I've never met the actor. I never even knew about the product. But there I am in this video. So I just want to reassure everybody that's watching that Vikram and I do not endorse individual products.
Yes.
So if you see any endorsement from he or I for an individual product that is making a claim, be very suspicious, because it's already started that people are starting to make these deep fakes. And so it's already confusing enough for people out there that there's like 1,000 products all claiming to do things. But just remember, there are the words there that give you a clue. May help, showing that it could do this, right? So there's no specific claim being made with these products. They're inferring that these have been shown to help, but there's nothing concrete about it, because you can get away with making puffery claims, which is like, oh, this is the best product for such and such.
Yes.
Right. That's called puffery. But if you say that it cures something, or you say that it has been shown to conclusively improve by 50%. Then that's a claim that can be contested and has to be proven. Otherwise, it's false advertising.
Yes. So I think that's really a really important point to make, because anyone that is experiencing hair loss, there's a lot of emotion that goes with that.
And desperation.
Absolutely. And when you see someone that you may recognize from the big screen, who you aspire to emulate, and they have gone through what you feel you're going through, and they've tried a particular product and it's been successful, there's obviously going to be the draw towards that. And especially, so I think you have to, use a bit of critical thinking. I think there's going to be a lot more of this. There's going to be the Wild West in terms of what the market space is. It's going to be.
It's relatively easy to make these deep fakes. It's
Yes.
not expensive. They can go out on TikTok. They can go out on all of the social media platforms now and have immense reach. It's an advertising nirvana.
Yes.
It's like it's just feeding the fish.
And I think, I mean, you and I we've been doing this, but it's been our principle for a long time. We've never gone, right, okay, we market this product, we're sponsored by this, and we want to sort of promote this. You know, we will talk about our experience with whatever we're using and what we've seen, how it works, what the evidence has shown. But I think if you ever see, you know, yourself or myself going, hey, use this, it's probably not.
It's going to be a fake.
Yeah.
It's going to be a fake because that's not our role. Our role remains to try and give you some basic information that helps you sift through the claims and go, well, basically, if I understand this about hair biology, that doesn't really make any sense. And that's really what we're trying to do here, to assist you, because there are a lot of clever marketers out there who are just eager to get your money because they know that you're keen to do something about your hair loss.
So yeah, take everything that you're seeing in terms of new products that are coming out into the market that are meant to be, the panacea and certainly extremely effective. Take them with a grain of salt and do your research.
And continue to ask questions of us. You know, send the questions in if there's something that's suddenly blown up as being this new product or whatever. We may not have heard about it, but we'll research it and we'll talk about it for you. So, you know, if there's something that's out there that's really coming to light that you really want to know about, we're more than happy to deal with that and try and do our research for you and to help people make good decisions.
Absolutely. So yeah, there's going to be more of that, I have no doubt, but please be careful in the future. And again, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like and to subscribe to the channel. Be really grateful. And we'll see you on the next episode.
Thank you, everyone. Take care.